Alright, before I put the swing arm back on and put the bearings in, I need to go ahead and clean up this pivot shaft here. It's not horrible, but it's got some spots on it that are fairly nasty. So you kind of want to get all that off there. I'm just using crocus cloth here, emery cloth, whatever you want to call it. Now when you put this in, you want to use some grease or Never Seas. I use Never Seas. I just think it works better. I've been using Never Seas on axles and pivot shafts for 40 years or almost 40 years. Long time. So I know some people say they want to argue you should never use Never Seas for whatever reason. Point is, you want to lubricate it, because when you have to go to pull one out, and I've had this happen where guys never lube them because they've never had them out, and it takes you 3 hours to get one out, and you end up destroying a lot of crap just to get the damn pivot shaft out, so you can't get the swing arm off. So the point is, use some grease, use some lube, use Never Seas, anti-Never Seas, whatever you want to call it. I've actually had somebody call it anti-Never Seas. Usually same people say you got to unloosen it. It sounds like the exact opposite of what it should be. If it's anti-Never Seas, it means it would seize, right? Or if you unloosen, technically that should be tightening. So that ought to be good for that. And I'll go over it with a little Scotch-Brite pad here too. Give it a little bit of a polish there. I think I need to touch up the end of this axle here. It's got some damn sharp bits on it there. Let me run a file across this thing. Clean my file off here since I've been filing aluminum with it. Using the old file card there. That ought to be good. It's starting to rain again. Oh yeah, that's a sharp one right there. I guess I'll probably end up throwing this thing in there tomorrow, since I'm supposed to go to the store here in a little bit, or go to town, as they say. It's Monday, it's time to go shopping, because nobody goes shopping on a Monday. Well, most people don't. Got one little piece right there. Don't want to be getting any of that on my finger there. feels like somebody tried to use the wrong size socket to take that off, and it wasn't me. So maybe that swing arm was off there before, because them bearings actually look pretty clean for having 70,000 miles on them. Regardless of that, I know they're done. Get a little spray off. Polished on a bushing here. Alright, that's it. Ready for tomorrow. Let me give this thing a little squirt of oil on there so it doesn't rust up overnight. There's a shoot a little TD blaster on there. Now when you do these, when you put this in there, you just have to pay attention to this side right here where it goes on. Because if you stick it in there backwards, you're going to have way too much end play on the damn swing arm. And you'll notice. And then it's kind of a pain in the butt to get back out, because you pretty much have to pull the shaft back out, drop the swing arm to get this bushing out the way it sits in the frame there. So anyway, bearings are good. Now use our little spacer there. And we're just going to cover that up for tonight. So everything's ready. And I think I'm going to go drink a cup of coffee now because it's raining out. And it is about coffee time. I think it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's probably like 2, 3 o'clock, 2 something maybe. Anyway, you guys take care. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all this stuff, and have a great day. Thank you. New subscribers, thank you. Old subscribers, thank you. Hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, just ask. Thank you.